Well, hello everyone. I'm Peter. I'm the Director of Global Member Development for Species 360. I'm here with my colleague, Meredith Knott, and she's our product manager for our Aquatics solution. I'd like to recognize the RAW Organizing Committee and our host, the Florida Aquarium. This has really been a wonderful week, I know, for all of us. And it's fun to see so many of our members at one event, so it's really been great. If you haven't had a chance yet to say hi, please do stop me if you see me around or up in the exhibit hall. Many of you may know us as a nonprofit NGO and provider of the ZIMS animal management platform, but we're really much more. Our mission is to facilitate international collaboration in the collection and sharing of knowledge on animals and their environments for aquariums, zoos, and related conservation organizations to serve institutional, regional, and global animal management and conservation goals. We're dedicated to a global approach to solving the world's most pressing aquatic species sustainability and conservation challenges. We recognize the many and growing challenges from marine pollution, climate change, overfishing, and habitat loss. Species 360 and our aquarium members want to serve as trusted leading partners in the conservation of aquatic biodiversity. Together, we're developing new insights and standards of operating performance in such critical areas as animal acquisition, husbandry, medical care, priority species, captive breeding, and aquatic species management. Today, we serve our 1,100 institutional members in 95 countries, and over 425 of these members rely on ZIMS aquatic functionality, making us the largest aquatics records management provider here in the US and globally. Every day, over 20,000 animal professionals, including aquarists, curators, vet staffs, aquatic stud bookkeepers, utilize the pooled, aggregated information contained in ZIMS for insights by species, such as most common clinical conditions, anesthesia protocols used, drug usage detail, weight comparisons and body scores, physiological memberships, and much more. These unique insights only exist because members agreed to data standards years ago, manage data in ZIMS, and value the aggregated and shared data in the best interests of their animals. One result that we're especially proud of is that recently ZIMS was recognized by Manga Bay as a top 5 technology innovation for conservation. With 44 years of data, a total of 330 million animal records have been created on 22,000 different species, making ZIMS a trusted source on animal knowledge by such entities as the U.S. Fish and Wildlife, CITES, and IUCN. Partnerships are now in place with over 40 regional associations from around the world. And use by aquariums is recommended by WASA to support their global aquarium and conservation strategy, and ZIMS is also required by EASA's aquarium members across Europe. Our members contribute over 240,000 new animal transactions monthly in areas such as husbandry, inventory, tank data on water quality measurements and life support systems, healthcare records, behavioral notes, enrichment and training. From all of this data, pooled information is developed to help members improve animal welfare, including lifespans, fish life cycles, the impact from environmental changes, etc. This pooled information helps advance our understanding of aquatic husbandry, healthcare, and reproduction. Our ZIMS for Aquatics initiative is a focus project to deliver advanced capabilities that align well to raw aquarium member needs and to those similar species that are held in zoos that require comparable functionality. Advancements are being made in group management, integration of enclosure, life support, and component modules, detailed enclosure inventory reporting, environmental water quality reports, water conservation and usage reports, and a significant innovation, water quality parameters by species. Innovations have occurred as the ZIMS for Stud Books was launched in early 2017 as a next-generation replacement for Sparks and PopLink. Already 237 stud books are now being managed within ZIMS, with more being added every 2 weeks. ZIMS for Stud Books is now fully integrated with PMX, the Advanced Population Management Software. Exciting work is also underway with a broad group of members and researchers in the areas of conservation science. For example, critical research has recently been completed on coral reef conservation and on turtle conservation. This research output is being used to inform the public on these critical issues. I encourage you to stop Meredith or me or visit our booth upstairs to talk more about the important work of aquatic animal care, species management, and conservation. Thank you very much.